Hello, hi guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to recover your data from a phone which is screen broken, and how you can just simply back up the full phone and restore on another. This is for all Android phones. The connection to the phone might depend on the model, but most of the phone, that's how it works. So before, what you need for this things is you need an OTG cable, which will be like this. You can connect the USB keyboard or mouse, and you need the phone, which should be turned on, and you need the keyboard. Now basically, the one thing that I found that on Sony phone, that is which is particular, that even if you connect a USB mouse or a keyboard to your phone with an OTG cable, well, this don't work fine, because you have to actually select inside of the phone. So I have a fix for that also, and fix for also that when you connect your Sony phone to your Xperia companion or PC companion, and how to switch the connection mode to MTP and mass storage. So let's begin. So first thing you guys have to do is to connect the this adapter. Well, since my keyboard, I have the wireless keyboard and mouse, so I connect the USB adapter to it. And for the USB mouse, you can just like simply connect the USB mouse or USB keyboard in order to make it work. And so first of all, we're gonna plug in this, and we're gonna hold the power key and the volume key up in order to turn off the phone, because I cannot just turn off like that because the screen is broken and it's not working. So when the phone goes off, let me just do it. Okay, your phone should vibrate 3 times, and after that you just simply turn on the phone. Now what's gonna happen is, when you because usually we have to plug in the USB adapter and select from the adapter from the phone, the detection of the adapter or USB keyboard that you have connected to, in order to make it work. So now simply, when we already plug in the USB adapter into OTG cable before the phone is started or turned on, it will automatically, in the boot time, or maybe in the boot operation, when it's like booting up, it will automatically do that. So you don't need to like unlock the screen and do that. So now here we go. You can just wait, it just boots up fine. Okay, waiting. Okay, so now you guys can see the phone has been successfully booted, and if I try to move, I have the arrow, so you can see here. So now we're gonna unlock the phone. So now when you press enter on your phone, or you can do by swiping, you know what I'm talking about. So you just enter the passcode, press enter. Now to just show you that my screen does not work, nothing's happening. So now for the MTP connection, how you guys gonna do this? Well, you're gonna install an app called because basically we'll have to take the remote control of this phone. You just go. So now guys, just simply go to Google Play Store. Now from here, your phone should be connected to Wi-Fi or your data connection. So we're gonna just find what's called TeamViewer, a quick support, because this is the because you have like 2 TeamViewers, which is one is standard, which is only for PCs, and this one is also used for to remote control a device. Well, you just install this one, just click open. Now you're gonna have an icon here, which you're gonna put on the PC or on another Android device which supports TeamViewer to manually take the remote connection of the phone. And after that, it's just simple that you can just connect you can, like, when you have the remote control of this, well, even if you get the ID here, just do not disconnect this, because we're gonna still need it just for a moment, because when you're gonna initialize the connection of the when you're gonna remote connection gonna initialize, it's gonna pop up a message here to accept. And when you're gonna click remote control inside of the TeamViewer to take the actual control of the phone, it's gonna still pop up something which gonna be saying like accept or deny. So you have to accept in order to allow the remote connection. So when that is done, after that it's just simple. Your phone is remote, you have the control of the remote, I mean of your phone. And when you're gonna disconnect the OTG cable and you're gonna plug it into the PC, it's gonna pop up with the charging on the MTP or mass storage device or MIDI, something like that. And you can just select MTP and go into a Sony Companion or PC Companion if you haven't updated. And you can just basically back up your phone, you can copy the files you need, or you can just... Okay guys, now when you have the TeamViewer ID on your smartphone, or I mean the broken screen phone connected with the USB or keyboard or with the wireless keyboard like I have here, you guys gonna take the ID from here and gonna open a TeamViewer on your computer or laptop. I'm gonna put that ID. So in my case it's 1518270. When you connect to the partner from here, now you guys might understand why it didn't disconnect the so see, you guys get an option that's saying allow. So you guys gonna go allow. This is not done yet, the remote control. So now we're gonna click on remote control. You're gonna click again on remote control. So when you do that, you should receive another notification saying accept. Now when you have collected when you have clicked accept, now you have the fully you can like just control your phone from your laptop simply. Like you can just like go here, do like that, and you have the full remote control of it. So now the MTP connection, I think you guys might already have understand what I'm going to do. I'm gonna disconnect the OTG cable, gonna plug into the laptop the USB cable, and the other end in the phone. So I might have just a little trouble connecting this. Gonna plug it in, and here what comes up. Now it should say charging only, media transfer MTP. Now just basically over here, just click. Let me show you the both devices. Okay, just a little light. Just click MTP, MTP. And now when you go to your Sony PC Companion or Xperia Companion, if you haven't updated, you should have your screen like that. Now, just basically go to backup. I just click new backup, and you can just name it anyone because I already have a name same existing. Just click OK. I'm gonna have a different name. I'm gonna click OK, and just click next. And you have the option to select whatever you want to back up. In case I want to just back up everything, just click next again, and you can set a backup password if you want, but if not, I think you just need to select. Okay, it cannot be skipped. In my case, let me just select a password real quick. Okay, just click next. Now you have to click incorrect password. Okay, wait. Just click backup. This is the backup I want to do. Just click next. Next. Okay. Maybe I know what was wrong. That password should not match with your device or something. Just don't think that. It might be just a type of, maybe I entered too short password. That's why it was like not going through. So don't worry about that. Now I press next, and here we go. Now it's backing up everything. When it's done, you can simply plug your new phone, and from where I choose backup, just right left from I think, yeah, right left from that, you can just click restore and choose the backup you made and restore your phone. And thank you for watching my video, guys. I might just help. Well, if you have another phone like Samsung, it might be different.